Hi kids, this is Jovan. At Kids Cook and in your kitchen at home, measuring is important for making a recipe that tastes yummy. There are two kinds of measuring in the kitchen: dry measuring and wet measuring. Can you find your wet and dry measuring cups in your house? You will also need something dry to measure, like flour or rice. And for wet measuring, you will need a pitcher and a large cup of water. Let's start with dry measuring. These are dry measuring cups. Do you have dry measuring cups in your house? Great. We measure dry ingredients like sugar, flour, or rice in these. What other dry ingredients can you think of? This is a 1 cup measure. Your cups also come in smaller sizes, like 1/2 of a cup, 1/3 of a cup, and 1/4 of a cup. It shows the size of the cup on the handle. Can you find the size of your cups on the handle? Great. 1/4 and 1/2 are fractions. If you put equal parts together, they make a whole. For example, for the fraction 1/2, if you measure two 1/2 cups of something like rice, it makes 1 cup, which is the whole. Now you can start to use fractions in your kitchen. To measure with dry measuring cups, use one of your cups and dip it into something like rice. Get a full, overflowing scoop of your dry ingredient, get your ruler, and then give it a haircut, like so. Make sure the rice goes into the same container. Now you give it a try. Again, take your cup, get a big scoop of your dry ingredients, get your ruler, and give it a haircut. Next, find your wet measuring cup. A wet measuring cup should be clear so that you can see through it, and have a spout so they can pour the liquid out. Now, the cup will have lines that show you how much liquid you're measuring. Wet measuring cups can measure things like water, milk, or oil. What other wet ingredients can you think of? Nice. To measure wet ingredients, set your measuring cup on the counter, then find the mark that you're going to measure with. Let's start to measure 1/2 of a cup. So first, find your 1/2 mark, put it on the counter at eye level, get your pitcher or your cup of liquid, and pour until the liquid reaches the mark on your cup. Like that. All right. Now you're ready to measure wet and dry ingredients. It was nice seeing you, and I'll see you on the next video.